Hello to everyone! Today I have for repairing Samsung Tab E. As you can see, the display on it is broken and the touchscreen on it works, but I'm not sure that works completely. This tablet is disassembled from the side of the display, and for this you need a pick and hairdryer. You can use a regular hairdryer. Take a dryer and warm it up along the contour. Heating temperature is about 200 degrees. As you can see here on the touchscreen, there are cracks, and therefore you need to try to disassemble carefully, so that the glass doesn't burst to the end. Don't forget to check the SIM and flashcard trace. Warmed up, take a pick, insert it between the frame and the glass, and stretch it in a circle. If the pick is already going tight, you need to warm it up. Otherwise the risk of damage of the touchscreen increases. You need to maintain the same surface, heating temperature constantly. And after much effort, in this way remove the back cover. There is a double-sided tape on it, here on the cover. Next, take off the display, battery and touchscreen cables. Raise the latches and pull out the cables. After that, you need to unglue the touchscreen from the central frame and do it as carefully as possible, so that it doesn't crack further. Again, warm up everything in a circle, take a card that can be threaded under the touchscreen. For faster and easier peeling off, you can add alcohol, without fear of getting the display wet, as it is already broken. And so easily walk in a circle. Be careful next to the cable. I don't know exactly where it is, and therefore I don't cut the glue at the location of the cable, but I try to pull it off. When half of the touchscreen has already been released, just pull it up with a little force and warm up the place where it's still glued. And that's how it easily walks away. Put it aside and start removing the display. You also just warm it up. Pick it up with a pick and take it out of the case. After some time, the display was also removed. Here you can see the place of its gluing along the contour. You can pour alcohol there and easily remove the display. After removing the display, immediately clean the entire case from glue and double-sided tape. Then degrease it in a circle. And while my new display comes to me, watch some advertising from my partner. By the way, I buy all my spare parts online, and not only spare parts, and I return a lot of money with Letyshops cashback service. The service receives reward for the purchase in more than 2000 stores and shares them with you. This is the cashback. To do this, make a purchase as usual and get a part of the money back. And not to forget about cashback, install the extension in our browser. And when you go to the stores, it will remind you to activate cashback. Also, the extension shows you to monitor price and find the best deals. And Letyshops has a mobile app, so that the cashback is always will be in our hands. And naturally, our saved money you can transfer to a bank card or put on your mobile phone balance. Don't lose your money vainly. Sign up at Letyshops.com, following the link under the video and get a premium account as a gift. Link in the description. Here the new display is in my hand. I've already checked it, it works fine. I've taken off this green tape from the old display and glued it on the new display. The case has already been cleaned and prepared for gluing, and double-sided tape has already been glued to fix the display. The touchscreen is also fully functional. Start assembling. Remove the sticker from the adhesive tape and insert the display, and press it gently. After that, along the contour where the touchscreen will be glued, apply glue B7000. On the touchscreen I have also left double-sided tape, in order not to draw it much to the display. It is now sealed with yellow tape, so the dust doesn't get in. The glue was applied, clean the touchscreen, remove the tape, remove the shipping film from the display and glue the touchscreen. You can't go wrong with centering. It is centered by the button at the bottom and by the slot to the camera at the top. Next, connect all cables back. Make sure that you have not forgotten to connect anything. And apply glue on the back cover. Here I'll apply a T7000. It's the same one, but of black color. Put it in a thin line, where the double-sided tape was, and close the back cover. It's all latched, so you just press it. Then press it with pins for several hours. Also the lid holds, but the touchscreen isn't pressed against the central case. After 24 hours the glue is completely dry. Now I can fully check the tablet operation again. After making sure that everything is in order, I can safely give the tablet to the client. Thank you for watching. Did the video help or just you like it? Put like. And also don't forget to watch my other videos and click on the circle in the center of the screen and subscribe to the Art Bell channel.